This is Lucas Mancuso. This is my Mechatronics MENG 4311 individual project, and this is a grain silo depth gauge. So here you can see my code, and you can see I'm getting my values currently. And here is my circuit and my LCD. So you can see my distance is set for meters. And I have a light sensor that's outputting just a L value, and for the temperature it's just coming from a thermistor that's right there, the little black bead in the center. And so you'll see the LED outputs, so the yellow will vary in brightness as the ultrasonic sensor reads that something is further away. It will get brighter so that they can see it deeper in the grain silo. So imagine that this all is being dropped and going down. The thermistor is going to obviously take the temperature, so it needs to take ambient temperature inside of a grain silo to keep things from spoiling or any kind of moisture or propagation of moisture from temperature changes. So they're usually controlled and temperature controlled ideally. So you have the temperature sensor, and then right here is our photocell, just to measure light changes. So you can see it's red right now. It's throwing a distance error because it's too close. But as I move this away, see the yellow pop up. No longer has the distance, and as it goes further, it gets brighter, closer, gets dimmer. So you kind of see it dim down. And let's see if my hands are warm enough. If my hands are warm enough, I'll do the thermistor. It should set off at 28 degrees. It'll turn red. Not warm enough. You mind touching this for me? If you got warm hands.
Sure.
Just the thermistor, the black dot. So now it's hit over 28 degrees Celsius and the red light comes on. That's all. I appreciate it. And then again, so it'll come back down. Now we're below 28 degrees Celsius and it'll turn off. And then I'll just try to cover the light sensor. Once it reaches below 400, we get our warnings. So below 400 it will come on. It's a little inconsistent because I'm in a lighted room, but anyway, yeah, so the travel related here can go up to 4 meters. So super dull when it's close. And like I said, it gets much brighter the further away it is. So we've got our digital output pins and our analog inputs. Got a potentiometer for the LCD right here. There we go, it's back. So for the thermistor, there's a 10 kilo ohm resistor, as well as for the photocell, and then just 220s for the LEDs. And that should be it, just showing it operational and functional. Just one more thing. So you can see the distance is in meters. It goes up to 4 meters. And then the temperature's in Celsius. But it shows that when everything's adequate, you're in the safe range. So once you go too far out of... once it reads that there's too much distance, let's see if I can get it to go beyond the 4 meters. Let's see. 1 second. Trying to keep everything plugged in. So once you go too far, you get a distance error again. So, and then let's see what else. I guess we'll just go back to the code. And you can see my code updating with the averaging. So I guess that's it.